Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm just out here at the park today doing some videos for you guys. Just get out and get a little fresh air and whatnot. I actually just shot a couple of videos already, so this is a kind of a video response to Really Big Monkey 1, one of my favorite channels. David did a very long video, very interesting video on all his cookware. So I have brought all mine. I will show you. Now my collection is nowhere near as vast as his. Everything basically fit in one box with room to spare. So I'm going to go over it. I think I did a video on this already, but this will be updated because I think I bought a new cookware since then. So let's dive right into it, and I'll show you my cookware. Also, check out Really Big Monkey 1 if you're not a subscriber. You'd be doing yourself a favor by doing so. So first, I have my butterfly handle canteen. In fact, I just did a video on canteens, which I'll link below, which will be up first. Very like canteens a lot. I have the Pathfinder canteen, just the canteen. I don't have any of the other components, just because I didn't want them. Not that they were bad. I just didn't really want more stuff, or more of their stuff. Okay, so I have the Stanley Adventure set, and of course I've got the melted top, and of course it comes with the 2 cups. I did a video on this, which I'll link below. Very much like it. Interesting point, while I was out in the woods cleaning up people's trash, I actually found one out in the woods. So now I have 2. I just, now I can put a cup in each. A lid for my main, and Paul at the Real 11T said he'd send me a lid, so now I have a spare Stanley set to add to my collection. So, and I'll roll in a couple photographs, but man, this thing was messed up. I found this thing just thrown out in the woods, so someone's trash became my treasure. So now I have 2 Stanley cook sets, and I'm getting a lid, and then since it came with 2 cups, I'm good to go. Oh, there's that. Okay, I have my Snow Peak Kettle 1, which is right here with the bale. I've cooked a lot of meals in this thing. You can tell by the look of it. I happen to love the way cookware looks when it's used. I love the browning, I love the discoloration. I just love everything about it. I just think it gives it a lot of character. It just pains me when I watch videos and someone would be, tripping over themselves about how great a piece of cookware is, but it's completely clean and not a single blemish. I have the Padimo skillet. I got this at Ben's Backwoods. It's about it's a pound. Got a little grease in there from my last outing. Cooked hash browns in this sucker. Great little skillet for one person. Needs some bacon cooking in here though. That's my skillet. Now, the second piece of cookware I bought was my other skillet, the dog bowl, which I just cooked hobo stew in this. So it's stainless steel. I got some barbecue paint on here, high temp paint, which I haven't touched up once. That I just think it looks cool the way it is. Got the little puppy paw on the inside. I've cooked quite a few meals in here. Boiled water in here, made ramen in here. Good stuff. One I have not had out in a while is the Vargo titanium pot. I do have some titanium cookware. I don't actually cook in this. I basically just used it for rehydrating meals, which is why I made a little cozy for it. There are videos all over YouTube how to do that. I pour in the freeze-dried meal, add some hot water, pop the lid on, I actually have another little square I'll just set on top, trap the heat in. And then I've actually used this for drinking hot beverages like tea or hot chocolate. You know, it doesn't weigh very much. Oh. And then there's this guy. This is the MSR stowaway pot. Another one of my favorites. I love the locking lid because you can use it as a container to hold things. Got the handle here. This is my primary dry baking pan. It comes with a lid. Comes with a. I added a bowl. Nathan gave this to me. I went and bought another MSR stainless steel bowl, just to kind of make a set. And then I had this rack in here. This elevates the pan while I'm making bannock. And I've actually put this in the fire and actually used this as a stove stand. So for $2 I have a stove stand in a nice set. I mean, I really like the MSR stowaway pot. You know, of course, it's got some fireplace discoloration. You see how it kind of blued inside from baking. Just pop that in there. I've mixed the bannock in this bowl here, poured it in here with some olive oil, and then just baked bannock, which is great. Gotta bake bannock again. I haven't made bannock in a while. So that's my MSR stowaway pot. You can get these for $20. Great price for such a great piece of cookware. And even if you don't put bowls inside, I mean, you can still put foodstuffs in here. I mean, if I just ran like maybe just the one bowl, I mean, I could put a lot of foods in here, spices in here, really whatever you want in here, and just lock the whole, and then pop the lid on, and just lock it down, and carry it in your pack. So there's that. A lot of versatility, I feel. I mean, I've fried sausage in this before I got the skillet, so it will work as a frying pan, oven. See, frying pan, oven, boiling water, cooking. I mean, a lot of versatility. So good stuff. If I lost it, I would definitely go buy another one, and it's only $20. Okay, let's see. One I have not used yet is this skillet. It's still brand new. I got this at Sportsman's Warehouse. I bought it for my $20 survival kit challenge, but I never actually did the video. So I have yet to use this. Comes with a lid. $6, $5.99. I don't know if you can see the sticker, but $5.99. You got some vents in the handle here to keep the handle cool. You can hang it. You got a hole right here to hang. Right there. Comes with a lid, nice and cheap. I should take that. I actually brought this on an outing, but I never actually got around to using it. And that's pretty much it for cookware. Of course, if money is tight, you can always bring a empty soup can. This is a non-lined. I have used this in my $5 survival kit challenge. It's I forget what was in there. I think stew. So I just ate the stew, peeled off the label. Didn't even care about the I could have painted the outside like I did the dish. Just didn't bother. I could still do it, but you know, you see all the fireplace markings on it. Love that. I should use that again sometime. Of course, you know, then I got my cups. I got the where'd it go? I just had it here too. Oh, here it is. I got the cups all switch off. Love those. My brother Mike at Mike Favia. Not a piece of cookware, but it's to light my fire bowl. I have used this on an outing. Really cool. Now I need to start rotating the stuff again. Got the little cutting board with the drainage hole for like pastas. Very cool. Thanks again, Mike. And that is it. I don't think I'm missing anything. For seasonings, I'll just carry these little mini 1-ounce Nalgene's for like salt, pepper, whatever. Good stuff. Yeah, that's it. So that is all my cookware. It's not very much, but you know, it's been working for me. Kind of a score. It's a second kind of a score with having the second, finding the second, can't talk, Stanley cook set. So with a bowl in each one and a lid to come, I'm looking good. So, all right. So this is my video response. Thanks for watching. You know, it may seem like a small amount of cookware to a lot of you, but you know, for me, I'm typically alone. I always bring to cook alone, even though I'll have a buddy with me. But you know, we usually bring our own cookware, so I feel like I'm covered for a good amount of cooking. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.